Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Amity University Amizone. So first of all, you have to open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And from here, we could see on the top section right over here, you have to type down Amity Amizone University and enter it after you're done. And from the search results, you could see you have to select the second option, this one, click on that. And right over here, you'll get an interface where you can log in. So all you need to do is simply type down your username and your password. And you have to type the character in the box. So type down your username, your password as well. And you have to type the characters in the box below. So like this. And after that, click on this option below that says login, and then you will be able to log into your Amity University Amazon. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.